Nighttime is when your skin works hardest to repair and renew. Let's walk through a simple but effective night care routine tailored for Asian skin. First, remove makeup, sunscreen, and impurities with an oil-based cleanser. Gently massage it in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water, then follow up with a water-based foaming cleanser to remove any remaining dirt and sweat. Next, apply a hydrating toner to balance the skin's pH and provide moisture. Lightly pat it onto your skin, helping it absorb better. For Asian skin, hydration is key. Apply a hydrating essence or serum rich in ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, or peptides to boost moisture and address any skin concerns. Step 4. Moisturizer. Seal in all the goodness with a lightweight moisturizer. Look for something with ingredients like squalane or ceramides for hydration without heaviness. Step 5. Eye cream. Don't forget the delicate eye area. Use a nourishing eye cream to reduce puffiness and prevent fine lines. Step 6. Sleeping mask or night cream. Lastly, apply a sleeping mask or night cream for an overnight moisture boost, waking up to plump and refreshed skin. With just a few steps, your skin is ready to repair, renew, and wake up glowing.